when you eat Teresa's food, you don't want to smack somebody. You want to hug. I just want to let you introduce you to your dad when he was young, and a group he was in called the Slenders.
Wow.
And on every block or community, we had groups. We'd congregate on Friday and Saturday to find out what group was the best.
Wow.
That was in that day, in
Yes.
the 55. And this is the kind of camera we use with no settings or limited settings.
Yes.
And it was a light on top, you know,
Okay.
flash.
That's
But you was lucky to get real beautiful pictures.
Yes, I'll say.
So now I want to say this blessing over this fabulous food that my daughter Teresa made for me and my son Brian. Wonderful!
Wonderful.
My God is so wonderful. I praise His holy name. He's so wonderful. Thank you, Jesus. Most fabulous family in the world because they sticking with me. I'm an old man knocking on the door, but I'm knocking slow.
What door?
Now let me taste this food. It looks so good, doesn't it, Brian? You ever make something like this? I tell you, it's real cheesy and flavorful. And I can smell that Mississippi seasoning. The love, when you're eating good food, you can feel the love that the cook put in it. You might think I'm jiving, but it's for real. Thank you. Good turn. Yazoo City, Mississippi. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
It's a very good lunch for me.
Thank you.
So good.
You gotta get somebody to hug.
I like what you just said. You want a hug. And